I think it's a global situation. So yes, it's strong in Spain, but we also realize that it's a situation going throughout the rest of Europe, the Caribbean, and Asia. We started opening hotels last April in APAC and northern of Europe in May. So we have a good sense of reopening some of our properties. In Spain, since July 1st, meaning just this week, we are now opening most of our hotels on the Spanish Peninsula coast. So everything from Andalusia and Costa del Sol, Levante, it's getting a good pickup and a good demand. We're opening some of our islands on the Canary and the Balearic Islands as well. So listen, we shut most of our hotels. Over 250 hotels were shut down on March 15th. Until July 1st. So yes, it's been quite a challenge for the past 2.5 months with a drop of 100% on revenue. So we're looking forward to reopening some of our properties, especially within what we call staycation, which is local market, but also from the UK and other countries in Europe.
Andre, the market and investors are fixated on this summer season as we all continue to talk about airbridge or what countries are on safe lists and whether quarantines are going to be lifted. But if you look at some of the measures from the airlines already, they're cutting capacity further. There are concerns about what happens in the winter season once we get beyond summer. And also you can see it in the plans for many business travelers who say they will not resume travel. Conferences have become virtual. Are you concerned about what lies ahead of the summer season as well?
We certainly are. We certainly are. I think this is going to be a combination. This is called the tourism and transport crisis. There's going to be a combination of the recession hitting behind it for post summer, and I think it's a matter of confidence. Until a vaccine is discovered and applied, confidence won't be there. Plus the economic impact. We as a company, fortunately, have well-balanced portfolio between urban and resorts in 45 countries. But I think in general for the sector, it's going to be a tough year as well, a tough end of the year, definitely.
Can I ask you about the cost side of the operation? Because one imagines with the additional cleaning and, of course, the lower number of guests maybe you're allowed to take into the hotels, one assumes it'll be much harder to make a profit or a margin on each individual hotel. Can you tell us a bit more about what you're doing?
Well, I think that for us, what's been key is that we have this idea of break open rather than break even. And for us, what's important to understand at which point we were losing less money with the hotels open than with hotels closed. And this is how we've started trying to bring demand to some of our markets. I think it's going to be a short summer. It's going to be a positive summer in certain areas. But once we've implemented all of the safety standards, yes, of course, there's an incremental of about 8 to 10% on the operational cost for some of these elements. As time passes by, we know people will be still taking a lot of care while they do their holidays, but they also want to enjoy their vacation. People are telling us they do want to go on holidays. They don't want to go to a hospital. They want to enjoy the hotel. So this is something that those properties that have larger open spaces have better opportunities to distribute the customers throughout the resorts.